Hi, hello, welcome to Summit for Marks. And today we are going to see about the National Education Policy 2020. The Union Cabinet gave a green signal to the new National Education Policy with an aim to introduce several changes in the education system from school to college level. The National Education Policy is a comprehensive framework to guide the development of education in the country. A new policy usually comes along every few decades. The latest policy is India's third. It replaces 1986 National Education Policy, which was in place for 34 years. The National Education Policy proposes sweeping changes including opening up of Indian higher education to foreign universities, dismantling of the UGC, introduction of a 4-year multidisciplinary undergraduate program with multiple exit options, discontinuation of the MPhil program. With an emphasis on early childhood care and education, the 10+2 structure of school curriculum is to be replaced by a 5+3+3+4 curriculum structure corresponding to age 3 to 8 is named as foundation stage or preschool education. 8 to 11 is the preparatory stage and 11 to 14 is the middle stage and 14 to 18 is the secondary stage. Some of the key features of the draft National Education Policy are 3 years of preschool instead of 2, followed by 12 years of schooling. Free and compulsory schooling under right of education from preschool till grade 12 instead of the current class 1 to 8. It also emphasizes that students until class 5 should be taught in their mother tongue or regional language. 4 years of bachelor program generally include a certain amount of research work and the student will get deeper knowledge in the subject he or she decides to major in. After 4 years, a BA student should be able to enter a research degree program directly. However, master's degree program will continue to function as they do, following which student may choose to carry on for PhD program. The policy also proposes phasing out of all institutions offering single stream and that all universities and colleges must aim to become multidisciplinary by 2040. The reforms proposed can only be implemented collaboratively by the center and the state. This will not happen immediately, and so the target has been set as 2040 to implement the entire policy. Hope the new education policy will bring a slew of major changes in the education system of our country. Thank you.